Welcome to our YouTube video introducing UPGRADE SMART ZED Plus Liquid Waterproofing. UPGRADE SMART ZED Plus is not your typical waterproofing solution. It's a liquid integral water-reducing cum waterproofing admixture that's changing the game in construction. This unique compound is designed to enhance concrete and mortar, making them more cohesive and durable. Let's take a closer look at the key properties of UPGRADE SMART ZED Plus. It reduces cement voids and capillaries, ensuring stronger and more cohesive concrete. The additive forms a protective layer over bars, preventing chloride-induced corrosion. UPGRADE SMART ZED Plus becomes an integral part of the structure, enhancing its longevity. It's compatible with various types of Portland cement, including slag cement. Let's explore the various application areas where concrete admixtures are used to achieve specific goals. Residential construction, commercial and industrial structures, underwater concreting, sustainable construction, repair and rehabilitation. Let's discuss how to use UPGRADE SMART ZED Plus liquid waterproofing. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure a successful application. Step 1. Begin by dry mixing cement, sand, and aggregate for 2 minutes. Step 2. Add 75 to 80% of the required water into the mix and continue mixing for 3 minutes. Step 3. Now, add the UPGRADE SMART ZED Plus liquid waterproofing to the mixture. Note: standard dosage of UPGRADE SMART ZED Plus liquid waterproofing should be of 100 ml per 50 kg bag of cement. Step 4. Place the reinforced cement concrete, RCC, in its designated location. Step 5. Properly cure the applied RCC following good construction practices. When handling UPGRADE SMART ZED Plus, keep in mind these precautions. Avoid contact with food, skin, and eyes. Wear gloves and eye protection. Clean your skin with soap and water after use. That's all for our video on the UPGRADE SMART ZED Plus liquid waterproofing.